What's poppin', baby? Today we're gonna be installing some lights on my car. These are the ambient lights or whatever for the center console. It's this clear light strip that we're gonna be installing on the center console. I'm gonna show you guys that right now. Yeah, stay tuned. So I started the light from the back over here where the armrest is, and I'm kind of running it all the way to the top. Okay, this first one is in. Let's put the second one. So everything is in. I put these inside. Moment of truth. And it don't work. Oh. So I have to turn that one on. And it still don't work. And also over here, I couldn't get it in for some reason. But on this side, it did go inside. So let me actually try to figure this out. So guys, I managed to make it work. As you can see. If I press that, you see there are a little bit yellow lights, and then the rest is not really yellow, just a little bit over here, and I can't really see the others. There's a little bit of yellow over there as well. So I don't know, maybe it's that it's sunny right now and you can't really see it, or these lights are pretty bad. So I'm gonna have to test it in a little bit later to see how they are, but I'm gonna show you on my phone. There's this app, and see, it just changes colors, which is pretty cool. I just wonder if it's gonna even work on other parts of the light. And as you guys can see, at night it actually looks pretty nice, and right now it's blue, so let's change it up. Put a little bit of green, yellowish green, looks nice. Red looks nice as well, pretty cool. That's blue, yeah, that's blue. On the camera it looks a little bit purple for some reason, but it's actually blue. And then pink, yellow, orange. I don't know why, but these lights are pretty dim. And like the green wheel doesn't work that well. But yeah. As you can see, even with the lights on, looks pretty cool. So I've tested the lights, they actually work pretty fine. So they're mainly for nighttime. And because on other times when it's sunny and whatnot, they don't really work, you can't see them as much, and right now they're actually pretty nice looking. So yeah, it's mostly for nighttime. you guys drive at night, this could be pretty good add-on to get. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.